Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. So if I do first derivative for the both sides, we have the u equal to negative e to the power of s ds. Because we don't have the negative sign in here, so we put the negative next to the u. This one we change by u. E to the power of s ds we change by negative du. The integration of this one, we have u to the power of 3 over 2 plus 1 over 3 over 2 plus 1, and we put about c. About u, that's about this one. So this one we will have about 5 over 2. This one we have about 5 over 2. Next, we need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equal to sine of e to the power of 2s. So if I do first derivative for the both sides, we have the u equals to 2e to the power of 2s cosine of e to the power of 2s ds. First derivative of this one, you got about this one in here. Because we don't have number 2, so we need to divide both sides by number 2. This one we change by u, so we have u to the power of 4. So this one in here, we change by the u over number 2. The integration of this one, we have u to the power of 5 over 5, and we put about c. Number 2 and number 5, we have number 10. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.